Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying your carrier allows tethering and that you have data left. This avoids sudden cutoffs. Once done, make sure your phone is charged enough and mobile data is on. Next, open Settings and tap Personal Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot. This is the control center that creates the network. You'll see a toggle and network name. Turn the toggle on now so the phone advertises its SSID. This immediate action starts the connection process and exposes the details you'll use next. Now configure the hotspot security to protect bandwidth and privacy. Pick WPA2 or WPA3 and enter a strong password of at least 12 characters. Once configured, note the SSID and password exactly. Case, symbols, and spaces matter, because the client device must match them. On the laptop or tablet, open Wi-Fi, find that SSID, and enter the password. Alternatively, pair by Bluetooth or plug in via USB if Wi-Fi is restricted. Make sure the client obtains an IP address. To finish, monitor the connected devices list, battery drain, and data usage. Turn the hotspot off when finished to conserve resources. If a client can join but lacks internet, toggle mobile data on the host, disable and re-enable the hotspot, or restart the phone. These quick resets often clear routing or DHCP hiccups. Make sure the access point name, appin, settings are correct for your carrier if problems persist. If nothing works, reboot both devices and contact your carrier to confirm tethering is enabled on your plan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.